it's probably not such a bad idea. But you can get a lot of the health benefits of eating dirt by getting it on your fingers.
Well, he's eating this thing that you don't want him to eat here.
Okay. Baby. Owie.
Let me eat some of that stuff. Yeah.
Don't tell me that.
Chips, wood chips full of bird poop and stuff. Yeah. Dog poop. Elephant poop.
I don't spin it. Daddy gets them spinning, you know, like spinning.
Oh, make him puke.
Yeah, that's what happened.
What do you think about it? Oh, you're going to eat some more of that stuff? On the floor on the ground. Okay, that's good. Good, another handful. Yeah, chew it down.